Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll explain how to find and install new add-ons for Gmail. Let's get straight into it. I'm logged into Google and I'm in my Gmail inbox. The fastest way to install an add-on to Gmail is from the side panel on the right-hand side of the inbox. This may not be open, but you can quickly do this by clicking on the small arrow in the bottom right of the screen. Let's open that side panel. A number of Gmail apps are already shown in the panel, and below that a plus sign. If I hover over that, you'll see there's an option to get add-ons. Clicking on the plus sign once opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is where you can find the add-ons you can use with Gmail. As we open the Marketplace in Gmail, the add-ons shown have already been filtered to only those that work with Gmail. Installing an add-on is quick to do. If I move my mouse to the Zoom add-on and click on it once to choose it and open the product page, I'll click on the large blue install button shown, and I'm then asked to confirm Gmail can continue with the install and provide the relevant permissions to proceed. Once done, Gmail confirms that Zoom has been installed. I'll close that confirmation and the Marketplace pop-up by clicking on the X in the top right hand corner, and you'll now see that the Zoom add-on has been added to the right hand panel for easy access. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe for free so that you can find out when new guides are available. Thanks for watching.